46 points lower for the Nifty, which is not bad. The breadth, I like it. It is limping back to normalcy. It is not like a rara start. The start may not be a perfect indicator of what lies ahead, but in general, you are now getting a sense that there is definitely life which is coming back into some of the specific small and mid cap stock. JSW Energy, say hello to power again, is it? JSW Energy is up 2%. I want to look at Tata Power. I want to look at NTPC. I want to look at everything in the power space. I think it's the contra time to buy into power.
Right, so that is power that is making a powerful comeback, we could put it so. But take a look at what the other stocks are doing in trade today. CIE, that one came out with the numbers, weak set of numbers coming in for CIE. Let's take a look at what the stock is doing at this point in time, down about 1.5% or so. You also have Sanofi that has reported bad numbers. Apart from that, take a look at what some of the counters are doing on back of brokerage reports. So you have L&T Tech, which has got a double upgrade coming in from Macquarie. So L&T Tech is one counter that will be in focus in trade today. It's trading higher by about 4%. You have KEI, that one has got an initiation report from Morgan Stanley. So KEI is the other counter to watch out for in trade today. Almost 2% uptick coming in for KEI. Cipla, this one is in news on back of an ANDA approval. So on back of that, take a look at what Cipla is doing. It's holding on to gains about 1%. NTPC, we are seeing a follow-through buying in this one, given the fact this is the fourth consecutive trading session that NTPC is in the green. Remember, the power demand has seen an uptick in the month of February, and that sort of is trickling in on all the power names as well. Let's take a look at what other counters are doing. For example, let's take a look at Vare Energies as well as Premier Energies. You have Renew that has come out with their numbers, and the commentary over there indicating that there is likely to be a cell shortage. And on back of that, these counters could be one of those beneficiaries, so watch out for them as well. Mahindra, let's take a look at that counter, given the fact that you have news reports talking about the entire EV policy, new EV policy. So let's take a look at Mahindra, Tata Motors, as well as Maruti Suzuki on back of these news.
All right, so that's the construct of the market and some of these movers. But onto the index front, we are seeing a bit of a stabilization kicking in and recovery from the day's lowest point. But Kunal, help us with your first reading, because at the start, 22,800 is defended very well. How do you read it, and which are the stocks that you are tracking?
Yeah, fingers crossed. Let's see throughout the day, especially the first half an hour, first 1 hour, because that's where we generally see some intense.
बड़े bearish हो गए कुणाल यार. बड़े bearish हो गए.
Bearish नहीं, I think we are at a very critical
बड़े bearish हो
level.
गए. कहना चाहिए कि support रहेगा, टिकेगा.
That's why I said fingers crossed. Let's hope.
उसके पहले तो bearish. बड़े bearish हो गए. हाँ जी.
So in terms of opening trade, I would look at ICICI Bank as a possible candidate of a reversal because of the weakness the stock has exhibited over the last couple of days.
All right, chalo. You know that US